Today I'm out on the waters off of Whidbey Island visiting Penn Cove Shellfish, where people like farm manager Tim Jones work hard to grow world-famous mussels.
Why would you say that Penn Cove mussels are so famous? I mean, they're world famous.
They are world famous. Well, they taste really good. We only harvest mussels that we sell. So it's not like a fishery where you go harvest and you try to sell everything, you know. We actually sell the product, then we harvest it.
I see.
You know? So the mussels we're harvesting today are going to be someone's lunch plate tomorrow in Seattle. It's even someone's dinner plate in New York City.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
cool.
That's pretty fresh.
That is fresh.
Yeah.
So they grow on rafts.
Well, they grow on lines that hang off the rafts.
Okay.
So in April, we hang out our collector lines. And we hang these lines off of all these rafts. And basically, we just have to wait. Hopefully, they're going to hang on to our collector lines.
Yeah.
They're going to hang on to the bottom of this boat, to the sides of the rafts. They're going to be everywhere.
They'll find something.
Now it's on to our first raft to see how mussels start from the seed.
We've taken these lines and we've coiled them. And then once we've collected it, we are going to come back, cut these zip ties, remove the zip ties, and let it all the way out. The reason we coil the lines, the highest density of larvae is at first meter of water. And I can see we do have some
Look at that.
Some seed here. You can have this. It's free. This is looking pretty good. We got a good set this year.
Nice.
Oh yeah, next year's gonna
Job,
be good.
guys.
Now it's off to another raft to see more developed lines.
Right now, these mussels are small, and everybody has room to hang on to that line. But as they grow more and more out, you know, they're gonna go further and further away from that line. So what we did, we invented these discs that go in about every foot, and that gives it the mussels support as they grow horizontally. This line actually has too many mussels on it.
Oh, does it? Okay.
It does. We're actually gonna strip all the mussels off this line.
Oh.
And then we're gonna resock them, we call it, onto other identical lines. So that one of these lines should make me 3 or 4 harvest lines. So one raft of seed like this will turn into 4 rafts of harvest, and we'll spread our seed out. There's the mouth of the Skagit River.
Yeah.
And it's bringing all this nutrient-rich water from the Cascade Mountains and basically kind of spills it into Penn Cove. The added sunlight, because we're in the rain shadow of the Olympic Mountain Range, it just makes a great place for algae. And that's what mussels love to eat.
Now we're boarding the harvest vessel, where mussels are removed from their lines, cleaned, and packaged.
So we got some really stubborn barnacles we're gonna try to scrape off. The machines just won't get off. But at the end, we have to eventually just take them off by hand.
Then the mussels are bagged up, ready for the market.
Oh, she's like, you're gonna keep going?
Some of these will be in Seattle tomorrow for lunch, and some will be in New York City for dinner. You know, it doesn't look like a really big mussel, you know, but if we open it up, I mean, it's a full and beautiful mussel there. It's a farm, you know. We have crops out here. We're tending to our crops. You know, we're going to start the same thing, little tiny seeds, like a dirt farmer starts with.
Yeah.
Make sure everything's growing correctly. You know, we're going to tend to that crop throughout the year. Then we're going to harvest. So it's really pretty similar. It's just you don't see it like like you do on a
Like
dirt
plowing a
farm.
field or
Exactly.
harvesting the wheat or, yeah,
Grow
exactly.
underwater.
Right.
But it's the same process. Mussels like little flavor sponges. Right?
Yeah, they kind of hold on to the...
bring the ingredients
Yeah.
that you cook them with. You kind of look at shellfish. Oh, give it a try.
Right.
You're gonna really like it.